In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable timeline view in Jira. Whether you're a project manager, a software developer, or someone who simply needs to track tasks effectively, knowing how to get the most out of Jira can be tremendously beneficial. Enabling the timeline feature in Jira allows you to have a visual representation of your project plan, helping you and your team see the bigger picture with ease. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of the Jira interface. This panel is your gateway to all the projects you're working on. Here you'll find a list under the projects section. This list is essential for accessing all the different projects your team is handling, and it's where you'll begin our journey today. Now, once you're in the projects section, the next step is to locate the specific project you wish to work with. This is usually the project for which you believe the timeline view will be most beneficial. It's worth noting that the name of the project should clearly reflect the tasks or objectives it pertains to, making it relatively straightforward to identify. With the correct project located, move your cursor over to the project name where you'll notice three little dots next to it. These dots are more commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. By doing so, you reveal a series of options that will allow you to make modifications or get into more detailed settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, be sure to select Project Settings. This option will open up a new window where you can customize various aspects of your project. Essentially, it's your control center for fine-tuning the project specifics. Once you're in the project settings, you'll want to direct your attention to the Features section. This particular area is crucial because it houses various tools and functionalities you can toggle on or off for your project. Without a doubt, the feature we are interested in today is the timeline. If you haven't accessed it before, you'll see that its default setting might be off. What you need to do here is simple: toggle the switch next to timeline to the on position, and voila, you have successfully enabled the timeline view in your Jira project. With this view now active, you can start mapping out tasks, deadlines, and interdependencies, allowing team members and stakeholders alike to visualize and track the project's progression over time. This feature can be especially useful in agile settings, where tracking numerous tasks and deadlines can sometimes become overwhelming. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to apply it to the projects that could benefit most from a comprehensive overview. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tutorials.